You've seen this symbol at demonstrations, on banners, t-shirts, and necklaces. It's just 3 lines in a circle, but you probably know what it represents. A concept as complex as peace.
The atomic bomb flash could burn you worse than a terrible sunburn. It's a bomb, duck and cover, and very tightly you cover the back of your neck and your face.
Gerald Holtom created this symbol in 1958 to protest against the manufacturing of nuclear weapons in England. He designed it so that its message would be immediately recognizable, giving it greater power and influence. To do that, Holtom's design simply used the letters N and D for nuclear disarmament, using the flag alphabet, which sailors used to communicate on the high seas. But the symbol also has another meaning. It represents a person in despair, with lifted arms and palms outstretched, of that of the man facing the firing squad in Goya's famous painting, The 3rd of May, 1808 in Madrid. The symbol quickly became popular with those who opposed the use of nuclear weapons, so much so that it was spread across the world and its meaning began to evolve to represent more general causes. It emerged in the United States during the Civil Rights Movement and became popular when protesters against the Vietnam War adopted it as a symbol of nonviolence and counterculture. But the evolution of its meaning didn't stop there. The message of this design became universal. And because of its simplicity, it was easy to remember and to draw. That's why, over its more than 60 years of existence, this symbol has been continually adopted and adapted by various people and movements in defense of principles like tolerance, equality, and the environment. This was made possible by Gerald Holtom when he decided not to copyright the symbol despite its extreme success. Because by not belonging to anyone, that means everyone is able to use it to advocate peace.